Sir Padampat Singhania University conducts its online entrance exam annually to allow the entry of eligible candidates into UG and PG degree programs. The university offers a variety of courses in the fields of engineering, that is B.Tech and M.Tech, that is biotechnology, computer science, civil engineering, electronics and communication, mechanical, mining and rail transportation. Management, BBA, MBA, that is BCom and honors, MSc in Maths and Physics, and also offers doctoral level programs in various streams. The entrance is called Sir Padampat Singhania Admission Test, that is SPSAT. The exam registration process will start in April and last until June. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth of Work, and we would like to present information in this video on SPSAT B.Tech program. If you would like to know more about the eligibility exam pattern and tips, then please watch the playlist till the end. Hi, I'm Karthik and we at Youth of Work would like to present information in this video on SPSAT B.Tech program. If you would like to know more about the eligibility, then refer to this video. First, let us talk about the nationality or citizenship of the candidate. The candidate must be an Indian citizen. Now, let's talk about the educational qualification. The candidate must have passed 10+2 in science with 60% marks from a recognized board. That was it for the eligibility criteria of the exam. In this video, we'll talk about the exam pattern of SPSAT B.Tech program. The paper will be online test with 40 marks. The exam will have 40 MCQ type questions. The total duration of the exam will be 45 minutes and the medium of language would be English. There will be 4 sections in the exam. These will be physics for 10 marks, chemistry again for 10 marks and English for 10 marks. The final section will be either mathematics or biology for 10 marks. There will be no negative marking. The link of the entire syllabus is given in the description below. In this video, we will talk about some tips and tricks that will help you crack the SPSAT B.Tech program. You need to finish 4 sections of SPSAT entrance exam within 45 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 40 questions. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Remember, negative marking is not a factor here. Therefore, try to attempt all the questions. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limits attached to it. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the prescribed time limit.